Hello everybody, welcome to BuzzBuggy's RC channel. My name's Frank and I'm a bearded dragon. Look, it's my beard. Woo! Right, in today's video, my daddy is going to have a look at an Arma Big Rock, the 2-in-1 ESC. It's got low voltage cutoff problem. Oh, I know. He's going to have a look at it and see if he can work it out. Anyway, it's the second time he's had this problem, you know, RC heads, which is a bit of a shame, innit? But anyway, I'm going to pass it over to Daddy. Let's roll the video. Hello everybody, welcome to BuzzBuggy's RC channel. I've got the Arma TALION out. Again, I've just painted the body shell on it last night and I've done it in reverse. I wanted it so it was like sort of sun bleached, and I've gone and put the silver where the green should be and the green where the silver should be. Well, I think I have anyway, and it's kind of, but it's just an RC car, innit? So it don't matter too much. I think it looks alright. We'll get away with it. The stickers saved the day on that one. We've got the Arma Big Rock 2S 3S. Yeah, I've got the 2-in-1 ESC. I can't even say it now. Right, I'll start again. I have got, like Frank mentioned at the beginning, the 2-in-1 ESC low voltage cutoff issue. I've had this happen before on an Arma Vortex, and now it's doing it on this. So we're going to have a look at that in this video and see if we can get our heads around that, because I have been pressing and holding buttons. I have tried my program card, which is in there. We're going to plug that in, and yeah, well, anyway, let's have a go at this and then we'll come back on that. Just have a little bez of this because this video is about that, so gotta have a little go. Oh, it's awfully sloppy muddy on here. It's really foggy. That's that shell lathered already. This thing's beast, and it's a weapon, isn't it? Oh no, back on its wheel, come on. I love this truggy, guys. Woo! It is absolutely. Do you know, it reminds me of the Bio SSTE. In fact, yeah, it just reminds me of the Bio SSTE quite a lot. I was going to say we're that bit better, but actually the Bio's good, isn't it? Hey, up. I like my SS. I have now got rid of it. Look at that mud in there. Look. My car's going to be lathered. Oh no, again. Oh, it's a bit of a powerful beast, I'll give it that. That's not full throttle there, like that's. Oh, that was a bit more. Oh, I just saved it, nearly toppled. Oh, I love this truggy. Wicked. Ah, flipped mud all over me then. RC heads, this is a beast. Oh, what's happened? Oh, hang on. Oh, we lost power then for a second. Oh, it's done it again. It's telling me that battery's gone already. That's weird. This is probably doing the low voltage cut off as well now, is it? I don't know, it seems to be alright. I wonder if that's like just a connection, loose connection or something. Like, yeah, it's got power now. Yeah, I know, it's strange. It just had like a little power loss. But anyway, we're not worried too much, RC heads. This thing's so cool. Right, let's get this put away before it ends up broken, probably. Beast. Ah, flicked all the mud all over my nose. Oh no, it's all, you, why did you flick mud at me, you? Right, let's have a look at this Big Rock. Oh my god, look at this. See all that on the end of my nose? I'm absolutely lathered. Just had a bath before I come out, might as well clean clothes. Oh dear. I just love that truggy. That was a good buy, that was. Right, let's have a look at this. So I've had this since the first came out. My Vortex was overheating and doing all sorts of weird stuff. If you're wondering why I've got this connector on, I'll show you in a second, because it's the only 2S battery that I've got is a Dean's connector in this little shorty. Now, I was putting 3S batteries in this the other day, and I tried 3 through it, and it was low voltage cut off within 1 minute of running. So 1 minute, that was it, you'd had your K connect it. I'm going to put a 2S battery in, which is a lower milliamp hour, and I'm going to see if we get more than 1 minute's running out of it on that battery, and see, like, just see if it's the 3S batteries that's causing it, which I think it is. Yeah, I'm just going to try that first.
And try and stick to this path a bit because it's absolutely boggy on there. Oh, this is slow on 2S, this. Right, all we're looking for though, RC heads, is just getting a bit longer than that's 2S flat out. Yeah, it is by rights, it is actually a 2S truck because it's a 2.2 3S. So 3S is like the upper battery, isn't it, to it? So it is sort of a 2S truck. The old one was, the old one was 3S. The old one was a beast. I think the old one was better than this. But what we're looking for is just to get some run time out of this. It's only 2,200 mAh, so I wouldn't expect long, only about 10 minutes anyway out of a truck out like this, but just want to see if we get more than a minute. There we go. So look, it's done it already, look. So it's doing it on the 2S as well then. Right, so now we know then it isn't the 3S batteries, it's any battery that's causing it. So that was fully charged. And as you well know, I know it's only like a 2,200 milliamp hour, but that should have lasted a lot longer than that. So now we'll put a 3S battery in it and see what happens. Right, 5,500 milliamp hour battery, yeah? That one was definitely fully charged. Not even fit in, it's that small. Right, I'm gonna put this one in. And you should get about 20 minutes run time, yeah? You would do. My Arma Typhon's absolutely fine. The Arma Quake's been totally fine so far. Like I said, I've had a Vortex do this before. I'd like cruise control as well, the Vortex. It got really hot, just went daft. And then if you just did the throttle a little bit, it'd stay like it and just cruise around it. It's actually quite a good feature. But right, I'm just going to put this in. 3S battery in. This is 120C rating, this one. Right, let's try this. Right, let's go. Let's see how long we get out of this. So we've got full power at the minute. Oh, I thought I was hitting that then. Let's bring it back and see how long this lasts, and then we're going to try and put the program card on it. But I'm going to show you what happens. Oh, the program card does not connect to this, and I've already had a look. I thought, does it need a firmware update? But no, it's not telling me it does. And I believe that the ESC on this is not a smart ESC, it's just a spektrum ESC. And the V2 box I'll show you in a second isn't connecting to it. And so far we're lost in a bit. Well, she won't do it now. So the other thing, I had a look about holding the bind button down and all sorts. I tried the controller where you like hold the trigger to calibrating the controller even. I've tried all sorts. Holding the button down, flashing the lights. I say I put the control box in here. It's going to work now, look. It's going to make me out to be a liar. Right, I'll get a blast out of it anyway, can't we? I see it, even if it does keep going. I'm having fun. Well, the video's worth doing. I know people have done this before on this. It's been a problem. To be fair to Arma though, they have been replacing these under warranty, the ESCs, and they're not too expensive to buy another one. But I'm going to upgrade this to a 4S system, a hobby wing system. And it'll just be absolute beast mode, because I swear the old Big Rock was faster than this one as well. So 4S it. Be absolutely great. Be worth doing anyway. This is lasting this time, so weirdly. And I actually wanted it to voltage cut, so, but honestly that other 2S battery was fully charged and it should have lasted longer than it did. Maybe putting the, I did wonder if you put a 2S in it and run it on a 2S, it will like reset its little brain or something, and then the 3S batteries would be alright again. And by looks of it, I might have actually had some like method in the madness there, because this, now it's had a 2S in it, it's run, here we go, there we go, now it's done it. So would you say for 5,500 milliamp that wasn't very long, was it? But it's longer than I was expecting though, to be fair to it. Right, let's plug the program card in and I'll show you what it's doing. But basically, yeah, I was trying to like calibrate this because I thought it just might help it. Again, I was all sort of thinking about how can I reset its little brain? Because like, I just cannot work out. I'll have a look on the phone in a second. I get a little bit, I need to refresh my brain what I was doing the other night, and I can't remember what I was doing really with the buttons and stuff. But I'll just put the program card in and show you what it's doing. Right, so it says here, Arrma, it's based on recent user reports and troubleshooting. Arma 2-in-1 ESC units, particularly the Arrma 40 amp or 80 amp 223S 110 scale models, have experienced several known faults. Common issues include premature low voltage cutoff (LVC) in brackets, leading to short run times, failure to power on, or complete failure. So my old one did have complete failure, to be fair. It totally got hot. I got rid of it and got another one. This one is not hot at all, to be fair to it, but I think that has just low voltage cut off. And oh my god, what is all over my hands here? What else does it go on to say? So yeah, premature LVC, no throttle, just steering, ESC won't turn off, overheating or shut down, fire as well in some cases. So it says to try and recalibrate, which I've done, check battery voltage, I've done, check the trim settings, I've done, factory reset. If unit is malfunctioning, try a factory reset. I've probably done that but not known I've done it. I'll replace the unit. So yeah. Right, I'll just show you what the program card does. Here we have the V2 program card, but it is Smart ESC programmer, and that's just the Spektrum. I don't think it's Smart System, and that's what the problem is. So I'm going to go in and do a scan. There you go, connecting ESC. It'll just stay like that. You can leave that like that for 3 months. It's never going to connect. It should say, if it needs an update, it should tell you at this point. It should say firmware update or something like that. I'm sure it does when I was looking on other videos, but well, that's just gonna, so you can't even tap into it like that. So the best thing to do, it's a 2-in-1, you need to get a separate receiver and change your ESC. But I think the best thing to do with these big rocks, because the actual platform is fantastic. I love a big rock. You struggle to beat them, to be fair. Absolutely great. I like the 4S Outcast as well, the 4S Craytons. I think they're really good platforms. And on that note, why have they done a 3S Crayton when you've got the 4S, the 6S and the 8S? I mean, come on, a mini Outcast would have been better. I mean, saying that was the same thing really, isn't it? But I don't know. Arma, what are you doing? I mean, it does look cool, that Crayton, to be fair. I do like the mini thing, but does it just look cool? We'll see when it comes out though. It's like a Grom thing, isn't it? But anyway, yeah, anyway. And what's that weird like plug you put in, like Chaos plug or something, or Chaos button? God knows. Might be a bit of a gimmick, but hey, correct me if I'm wrong, like, we'll see, won't we? I might get one, I don't know. But yeah, that's that lot, just does that. So, we'll have another little raz of this TALION. Oh, other side, Jim Bob. I always get the wrong side, don't you? Always got that many different trucks in that, you forget where the buttons are. I'll have another little blast with this to get a bit more mudded up, but yeah, it's a shame that. I'm going to 4S it anyway, RC heads. Are we connector in, TALION? We're actually, no. Okay, this one's going to go wrong now, look. RC live, folks. No, wrong controller, that's why. Yeah, it would help if I get the right one. That might help. Here we go. It's already on. Oh, this thing's a weapon. I love this. Yeah, I was just wondering if I could, like, I don't know, sort that 2-in-1 thing out, but it just looks like it's common fault. So I'd just change the ESC out and get a separate receiver. On the new Crayton, they've done away with that 2-in-1 ESC thing, apparently. You can put your own receiver in now, so that's a good thing. They did comment back to me when I put, oh no, it's not a 2-in-1, is it? I've heard a lot of problems with them, and it's the second one that's done it to me. Oh, this is lathered now, RC heads. Oh, my wing's off again. Always losing the wing. She's a powerhouse. I just love a Crayton or a TALION. I think they're absolutely great. Oh, struggle to beat one of these. You know what? I've never had an X-Max. I wouldn't mind a big Traxxas one day, just to see what the differences are, see what the beef is with Traxxas and Arma owners. It's only fair. I had a Traxxas Hoss, I loved it, to be honest. It's a good little truck, the Hoss. I love this as well, this is great. Trying to think if there's anything else I wanted to say. Oh, got stuck on there, all the wings all over. Oh, I don't really think there's anything else I was going to mention. And if there was, then, oh well. Oh, since you give it full beans, it's just wheeling and can't wheel in. Oh, oh no. Go and get it. So yeah, get ready for the 4S Big Rock. Next video is Creighton V6 and RGT shooter. So we're doing a bit of fast and a little bit of slow in the next video. Don't we just love a bit of fast and a bit of slow? Oh, this thing's ripping, isn't it? It's also ripping this grass up. I'm probably going to get in trouble. Yeah, it'll be alright. Let's do that quite a bit when you get a bit heavy-handed with it. Topple around, it's just so much fun. It's just beast mode. EXB stuff's ace. I need to get this to skate park. Seems to be running really well now. Let's fault it. Woo! Ah, oh, flicked all mud at me. Oh. Wheels off. No, not in the pond. No, not in the pond. No, no. It's in the pond. It's gone in the pond. Oh dear. Oh, the whole hex thing's come off. Oops, just when I said it was running well. Oh well, see you soon, RCheads. I'll see you on the next one.